Hell yeah, watch the fuck out. Oh. It's going.
You see the ass, I'm gonna whack out the roof real quick. That's from all my Lamar's classes. No, as soon as you pulled the rope, my finger twisted all up in there.
Oh, did it?
This is gonna go viral.
We gotta find a car underneath it first.
This is determination at its finest.
Oh shit, he's gonna surf it.
Yeah. This dude is crazy.
Okay, mister, you're not as young as you think you are.
Hell yeah, dude, you guys are almost there, dude. You want to be able to have some. I told you I'd black out all the faces, fool. And it's not the best place to be standing, dude. That fool almost fell in the ditch.
Almost crap my pants right now.
Boom! Success, son. Ooh, that nigga just. Ooh, go check your drawers, fool. I think you crapped. Go check your drawers, man. I think you may have crapped. Congratulations, gentlemen. You have succeeded.